Good morning. Today we are going to discussing the chapter oscillation of class 11th. First we discussed about the motion. When we discuss about the motion, then we classify the motion into two ways: periodic motion and non-periodic motion. Motion, there is two type: periodic motion and non-periodic motion. Whenever we discussing about the periodic motion and non-periodic motion, periodic means it is related to a period. Period means time period. It means it is related to time period. In mathematics, there is a two type of the function, that is the periodic function and non-periodic function. What is the periodic function? If y is equal to ft, any function, that is y is the function of t, y is equal to ft. If a function is the periodic function, then we can write t plus t is equal to ft. It means this function repeat after a certain time interval. That time is there after a certain time interval, that is the t, capital T, there, that is known as time period. That is known as time period. Similarly, for example, in case of the sine y, if y is equal to sine theta or sine x, if we draw the graph of the sine theta or sine x, then we got like this. Here we see that this graph will be repeat after a regular interval of time, that is known as pi. Here t is equal to 2 pi. Here t is equal to 2 pi. यानी sin थीटा अपने ग्राफ को 2 पाई टाइम के बाद वापस रिपीट करेगा. तो now in case of the periodic motion, the motion which repeats itself after a regular time interval on a certain path is called periodic motion. The motion which repeat after a regular time interval or on a certain path, एक निश्चित पाथ पर एक निश्चित समय अंतराल बाद जो मोशन होता है, उस मोशन को हम क्या कहेंगे? पीरियोडिक मोशन. दैट इज कॉल्ड पीरियोडिक मोशन. एंड द मोशन which does not follow these two condition is called non-periodic motion. Here we discuss about the periodic motion. Let us take the some example of the periodic motion. First, there is so many examples. First, uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion. There is so many examples in uniform circular motion which are the periodic motion. For example, motion of minute hand of clock. जो घड़ी की मिनट की सुई होती है उसका मोशन, घंटे की जो सुई होती है उसका मोशन, सेकंड की जो सुई होती है उसका मोशन. These are the example of the uniform circular motion and periodic motion. These are example of uniform circular motion and periodic motion. And spin motion of the earth is also a example of periodic motion. And second, we classify that elliptical motion which repeat elliptical motion in certain time. Elliptical motion in certain time. Example, motion of earth around the sun, that is the elliptical path, but it repeat after a regular interval of time. And motion of all planets around the sun is also example of periodic motion. And motion of the electron around the nucleus is also example of periodic motion. So here there is two necessary condition for the periodic motion: the motion which repeat itself after a regular interval of time on a certain path. Now we apply some condition on the periodic motion. Then what happen? What type of the condition? Now we add a new condition: the motion which repeat itself after a regular interval of time on a certain path and to and fro motion about a fixed point, about a fixed point, that motion is called oscillatory motion. यानी ऐसा पीरियोडिक मोशन जो क्या हो, किसी एक फिक्स पॉइंट के टू एंड फ्रो हो, आगे पीछे इस टाइप से हो, आगे पीछे इस टाइप से मोशन हो, तो उसको हम क्या कहेंगे, ऑक्सीलेटरी मोशन कहेंगे। ठीक है, यानी हम क्या करें, पीरियोडिक मोशन में कुछ कंडीशन अप्लाई करते हैं। क्या कंडीशन, पीरियोडिक मोशन विच रिपीट